Ask ChatGPT how many letter R's are in the word strawberry, and it often gets it wrong. A machine that can write essays fails at counting letters. Today, you'll understand exactly why. And the answer is the most important concept in AI: tokens. Welcome to Golden Concepts by Uplatz, where we teach you the few ideas that matter most in every technology. Let's start with the basics. When you type a sentence to an AI, you might think it reads your words letter by letter, just like you do. It does not. Before the AI ever sees your message, a program called a tokenizer breaks your sentence into chunks. These chunks are called tokens. A token might be a full word, like hello, or a piece of a word, or a punctuation mark. Then comes the key step. Each token is replaced by a number. The word hello might become the number 15,339. The AI never receives your text. It only receives a list of numbers. Now let's apply this to strawberry. When you type strawberry, the tokenizer converts the whole word into just one or two numbers. For example, it might simply become the number 73,700. So when you ask, how many R's are in strawberry, here is what the AI actually sees. How many R's are in token 73,700? That's it. The individual letters were never sent to the AI. They disappeared at the tokenizer stage. The AI cannot count letters it never received. That is the strawberry problem. It's not that the AI is bad at counting. It's that the letters simply aren't there. So why does this matter for your work? 3 practical reasons. 1. Cost. AI companies charge you per token, for both your input and the AI's output. Longer prompts mean more tokens, and more tokens mean higher bills. If you run a prompt a million times, every wasted token costs real money. 2. Limits. Every AI has a maximum number of tokens it can handle at once, called the context window. If your document is too long, the extra tokens get cut off silently, and the AI answers without ever seeing that part. 3. Languages. English is tokenized efficiently. But the same sentence in Hindi, Japanese, or Arabic can be broken into 2 or 3 times more tokens. Same meaning, higher cost, less room. Teams building global products discover this the hard way. Here is your golden tip. Before you deploy any AI application, paste your prompts into a free token counter, like OpenAI's Tokenizer Playground. You'll see exactly how your text gets chunked and what it will cost. 2 minutes of checking can save a serious budget. Let's wrap up with the golden concept in one line. AI doesn't read your words. It reads numbers that represent chunks of your words. Once you know this, cost, limits, and even the strawberry mistake all make perfect sense. Next in Golden Concepts, the context window, why AI forgets what you told it, and what to do about it. Subscribe to Uplatz and master the concepts that matter.